Hi everyone, my name is Disha and welcome back to my channel. So I'm a huge Pinterest addict, right? I was going through the home and decor section, and that's when I came across this really pretty wall hanging eye decor piece. It was really pretty. Okay, it had little hooks to hang stuff on as well. It was pretty and functionable at the same time. So I tried looking up for the. It was like $29, and that was the cheapest one. Alright, they had like for $30. They had for $32, which is above 2,000 in Indian currency, and it's too much to afford actually. So what I did is I tried looking it up on Amazon if it was available there, but unfortunately it was not. It's not for me to say. To do this DIY, we will need two embroidery hoops. I think these are available in the market in three sizes. I bought the biggest one and the smallest one. Here I am going to simply outline the small circle on a paper and cut it out. I am going to fold the cutout in half. I am now going to place the cutout inside the larger hoop as so. What now I am going to do is pretty self-explanatory. With the help of the scale, I am going to mark on both the sides of the larger hoop. After marking on both the sides of the hoop, I am going to cut it with the help of my handsaw. Mine is a very old one, but it did work well. Also, please make sure to take someone's help if you need, and but just make sure you do not hurt yourself during this process. After you have the first piece, go ahead and cut another piece of the exact same size as the previous one. Cut both your pieces, it should look something like this. To form the eye, glue all those three pieces together. Now to make the lashes of the eye, I am going to use these paper straws. Again, these are very easily available in any local craft store. Um, I cut these in 5 pieces of 4 inches each and glued them on the eye with Fevikwik. Still some gaps in between the two joining pieces, so to fill it up I am going to use some molding clay and fill the gaps by pushing it in right between the gaps. To make this decor piece more functionable, we are going to use some thick wire and cut a small piece of it with the help of pilers. I am going to add just one hook with the help of this wire, but you can definitely go ahead and put two more hooks instead of just one. Now with the help of a smaller piler, I am going to bend that wire piece in an L shape. It should look something like this. Now here's a demo how I got the wire on the decor piece. Mark where you want it to be, and with the help of a nail, which should be as thick as the thickness of the wire, beat it inside of the wooden piece with the hammer, right how I am doing. After that, the wire should easily go inside the hole, and Now, just to make sure that the wire remains in place, put a few drops of Fevikwik around the hole. And this is how it should look. Now the final step to spray paint it. I am going to use this Rust-Oleum's Painter's Touch, which works both as a paint and a primer and gives a semi-gloss finish, easily available on Amazon. I hope you liked the video. If you did, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.